In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time settings for Google Chrome on your computer. This can be especially useful when you're working in a different time zone, or if you simply need your computer's clock to display a specific time due to various reasons. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up your Start menu. You can easily do this by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen, or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, you'll want to search for Date and Time in the search bar. This will help you access the system settings related to your date and time configuration. Once you've opened the date and time settings, you will notice there are a couple of settings toggled on by default, one being Set Time Automatically and the other being Set Time Zone Automatically. Both of these allow your computer to update the time based on your current location and internet connection. However, to manually set your time to your preference, you need to toggle them off. When you toggle these settings off, you give yourself the ability to manually adjust the time according to your needs. After you have turned off both options, you'll be able to see a button labeled Change. This button can now be used to manually set your time and date. When you click on it, a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter the specific time and date you want your computer to display. Just enter the desired values in their respective fields and confirm the changes. This is particularly helpful if you are scheduling events or need your clock to match a particular region's time for a specific task. Alternatively, if you only need to change your time zone without adjusting the time itself, you have the option to choose from a list of time zones. In the date and time settings, there should be a section where you can see a drop-down menu that displays all available time zones. Simply scroll through the list and select the time zone you need. Your computer clock will then update itself according to the time zone you've selected. This is crucial if you're dealing with international clients or trying to sync your work or meetings with others in different regions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have the time on your computer set exactly how you want it, aiding you to work efficiently, no matter where you are in the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in addressing your time setting needs. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward guides and tips like this one.